Hello my friends, today I'm gonna show you how I upcycled this skirt into custom bow ties. Since I have a order, I decided to make a video and show you and also use my pattern. So let's start working on. So first I'm gonna cut the big pieces and the small for the bow tie to make sure I have enough fabric for all my custom bow ties. The ruffle from the skirt, I'm gonna cut it, all the adjustable straps for the bow tie. All my patterns are easy to use. You're welcome to check my Etsy store. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can see. You're very welcome to tag me all by Oli on Instagram if you make your own design. I would love to see your projects. So as you see, this is all what I got left. You can use it for small pillows or throw it away. So first I'm gonna sew all the adjustable straps for the bow tie. I did not use any fusible, so we're sewing 3/4 from the edge, and then we're gonna finish all of them and start sewing the small details. Then I will press all the details. As you see, all details are pressed and now it's ready to work on the bow ties. So I got ready all the fusible interfacing, and we're gonna use only for the bow tie, and make sure we're gonna press it on the wrong side. And now we take each piece and place it exactly with the glue down and then press it very well. The fusible that I'm using is based on cotton and I bought it from Joann. I will also leave the link down below just in case if you're not sure which one it is. For the bow tie, fold it in half and then find the center and then press the edges to the center. After that, you can fold it again to see where is the center and fold it again. Now you're combining two details. Make sure you pin them together so it will be easier to sew it. All details are ready. As you see, I pinned them together and now everything is ready for sewing. I sew them right in the center and now it'll be easier for us to actually fold and make nice bow tie. So I'm gonna take thread and then I'm gonna wrap around 2-3 times very tight, and then at the end I'm just gonna tie it 2 times. Our bow tie is almost ready, so I'm gonna work on all of them. Now it's time for the details. First, I'm gonna take a strap for the bow tie and we'll take the hardware with the one slide and go from one side to other one. And then don't pull it all the way. Bring the edge almost to the half. And now insert the eye all the way, and then we're gonna have to go back through the loops again. And then come back. Just follow exactly how I do, and if you don't understand, you feel free to pause the video and watch it again. I know sometimes it can be very confusing, but trust me, as soon as you do one, the second one will be much easier. Slide it almost to the edge, maybe like 3/4 from the edge. That way you have much more space to adjust. We're gonna fold, top stitch. So here the top stitch is ready, and now we have the strap ready to go. Here our details are ready. Now I'm gonna take a bow tie and turn to the wrong side, same with the strap, and we're gonna place the hook. Make sure the hook is facing the bow tie. Take the loop and now we're gonna pull through the hook. the edge, we're gonna fold it and top stitch it. Make sure the hook is facing bow tie, and I'm gonna take as this small detail, and only the edge I will fold it inside very teeny tiny bitty. And now I'm gonna wrap around the bow tie. Make sure it's very tight and it's right in the center, just like this. And then we're gonna turn to the back side. You don't have to insert just like I do if it's hard for you. You also can pin it just like that, so it will hold the fabric together and it will be comfortable for you to sew. Bow ties are so much fun to sew, and also you can reuse all the hem from the dresses. And now I'm just gonna sew it all details together. And also make sure when you're sewing all these details, try to sew it together with the strap. We want to make sure the strap doesn't move and stay still. Now here my bow tie is ready to go, and I'm so excited. I hope you liked this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos.